You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this word. More English vocabulary for you. Yes, it's a bit confusing, this one, because the pronunciation is as quarry. Yes, it sounds more like an O, and really if you were to follow the pronunciation, it should be spelled with an O, but it's an A, but it's pronounced like an O. Quarry. In American English, it's rather similar. US pronunciation, quarry. Quarry. Or British English, quarry. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.